Hello. In this lesson, we will learn about the quick access bar that sits above your file and your home ribbon. This little set of tools right here. This is the most productive toolbar in all of Microsoft Word. So the first thing I want you to do is hit the drop down arrow on the end of that quick access toolbar and choose at the very bottom that says show below the ribbon. When you activate that, it now sits below the right next to your work area. Alright, now go ahead and hit the drop down arrow again and put the check mark on all of the items. I know it's frustrating, but the best thing is you only have to do this once. After you have added all the check marks on all of those, now what we are going to do is we are going to add more buttons that are on our home ribbon. Alright, and the reason we are going to do this, if for some reason I am on the layout ribbon adjusting my margins or whatever, and at a glance I want to know what font and size the word hello is on my screen here, well, I have to stop everything and need to go back to the home ribbon just to observe this information. Well, if we add that to our quick access bar, then it's gonna sit right here, be at a glance feedback all the time. So let's go ahead and do that. Now, if I right click on Calibri, I get cut, copy, paste. But if I click on drop down arrow of Calibri, I get the list of fonts. But if I right click again on the drop down arrow of Calibri, it says add to quick access toolbar. When I activate that, now I do have my font style on my quick access. Alright, going back to the home ribbon, I want to do the same thing to the font size. So I will click the drop down arrow once and it says add to quick access. Now the two little buttons beside it, the A up and the A down, it simply says font bigger and font smaller. We are gonna go ahead and add those buttons and the font color. Remember, these are always right clicks. Now, there is a little button over here. It's a little format painter. My favorite button in all of Microsoft Word. Go ahead and add to your quick access. Now, there is a way to customize this and rearrange them. So I'm gonna hit the drop down arrow one more time and way at the bottom we have more commands. So go ahead and activate more commands and you will notice on the right hand side this is my existing quick access bar and over on the left is a list of popular commands. But now I wanna move it up to the top, so further on the right hand side we have this little move up button. So I'm just going to hit that quite a few times and then the new file will be right up here. It is your personal preference. I prefer to have new file way up at the top. So I have new, open, save and undo and then rest of my buttons. Alright, At this point, I'm gonna call that OK and notice what happened to my quick access. Just rearrange the way I like that. Now I have a wonderful little save as button here. Alright, set that up. It will be worth your while. Thank you.